Okay, so this is a long-awaited video on how to connect Bitfocus Companion to Titan Simulator by sACN. So here is Bitfocus Companion. I have made an example, and you see when I click this button, then something happens in Titan, and I'm going to show how I did this. As always, we start with a new show. Go to disk and start a new show. Okay. Also in Bitfocus, I undo everything I did. So I delete the connections which we need to do. So forget it, we start from scratch as always. And also the button which I made, which is on the button section. Select the button and delete. Clear. Okay, so now everything is like new. In Titan, let's patch a fixture. Easy patch demos. Patch a demo here. Okay, that's enough for the moment. We could do more. We could use moving lights, whatever you want. But this is only for showing how to do it. Open workspace window, capture visualizer, make it a little bit bigger, like so. Select the demo, add, make it 100%, record it here, click clear, exit, see that it works. Okay, here we go. We are done in Titan. So in order to create a trigger, we go to System. You see that I'm using version 18. You see that I'm using the simulator in offline mode, as I said. So that's why it works on the simulator. It works on consoles wherever you want. So we go to the next system page, go to triggers, go to add a new trigger mapping, give it a name, go to add trigger which goes here. Okay, and now we try something. We want to toggle this to sACN. And in order to output sACN from Bitfocus on the same computer, we at first need to make a new connection. Then we search for ACN. Here we go, generic streaming ACN. Okay, then we have added this. Next, you see a yellow exclamation mark here, so something still needs to be done, which is the receiver IP. Here we enter the multicast IP, which is written there, 239.255.0 and then the 1. 239.255.0.1. Hit enter, or at the very bottom click on save. Now we have a green checkbox here. Next is we go to buttons, we click on a button, we create a button, give it a name like S01, then we go to press action and select sACN, fade value, and set the value in channel 1 to 255. Then we go to release action, sACN again, set value, and leave it like this, because when we release we want to make it go back to 0. Okay, so our button is defined. And to be honest, we could even test it here. And when I click there, I see already in Titan that the blue bar appears, so it already receives sACN. Also, I could go to the web button section, and now I have a big button here, which works the same. Okay, and now we have received this in Titan. We can click on Add, and okay. Now we exit the menus, and now we have what we wanted to have. Okay, so this is how it goes in Bitfocus Companion again. In a short, we go to connection, we add the sACN module, we set this to output to the multicast IP. Then we go to buttons, we add a button, and we set the button to output the channel we want to use a trigger for, and make the press action to set the value to 255 and the release action to 0, and that's it. And this is how it works. Have fun.